We all want our parents to live longer and happier life. If your wife keeps asking you to repeat again and again, or your dad turns up the TV volume above normal, then book our special home visit hearing check that includes a trial of the globally renowned latest German hearing aids. Almost invisible in size, lightweight and comfortable for all-day use, and equipped with 360 degrees hearing technology. These hearing aids bring back the joy of natural conversations. This isn't just a device, it's a gift of happiness, confidence, and togetherness. Avail this offer before the festival. Simply click on the link and reserve the trial slot.